Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, collective reading. Earth element. So, mga Cancer yan, Scorpio and Pisces. So, second quarter, 2026. What we need to know. So, ang commonality, water sign, katulad ko po, Scorpio. So, ayan yung aking sign. Okay, so, we are considered the soul. Yeah? Emotion, heart space, nanggagaling po sa atin yan. So, merong, yung element natin, that's what makes us unique. That's what makes us unique as a human being, as a person. Yeah? So, may impact po yan. And how we interact with other people and also yung ating mga pangarap, what we want to achieve, it affects also greatly kung gaano natin kabilis na ma-achieve yung minamanifest natin. Yeah? Second quarter, kailangan nating maraming pera at malusog. Second quarter, let's aim for that. So, ang ating, ang tema ng second quarter, lahat ng sign, commonality is about yung dream, tapos na, natapos na dapat yan. Dapat we start doing. Okay? Na I think I say that in my past month's reading. Okay? Second quarter, mas intensify. We need to start acting and doing. Yeah? So, tema, okay? We need to know the second quarter. All water sign. Yung self-trust and confidence. These are the two things. Self-trust and confidence. We need that for second quarter. Kalimutan na yung makalumang paniniwala. Yeah? Outgrown na tayo doon. We need to have that confidence. Second quarter also, kapag nasaktan na, okay, wag ano na, tapos na po yung pattern. We need to let go. We need to heal and let go. Meron tayong tendency na ninanamnam natin niya ang nasaktan ako, nag-break kami, ganyan, etc. Yeah? Understandable, we are all human. Pero we need to heal and let go. Second quarter, gusto mo ng 2 million, 3 million, start acting. Yeah? Okay. There's a lovers, Gemini, in some of you. Okay? Partnership. Partnership, crossroad, a possibility of new offer. Yeah. For second quarter, the universe is telling we need to trust our gut feel. Alisin na yung pagiging nostalgia at pagiging drama for the meantime. Second quarter. Okay? I'm not saying iwanan nyo. Okay? Focus. Because we need to start doing. Yeah? Gusto mo ng 2 million, 3 million, second quarter or end of the year. Walang drama ito. That's how you manifest. Water element sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Earn more confidence, self-trust, and final push to move forward. Okay? Crossroad, the lover, this is decision. Yeah, if you're looking for a new job, new opportunity, or new partnership, or yung patungo yung level of maturity nung love mo, gusto mo na magpakasal, go for it. No more dream. This is the time to take action. Yeah? Walang drama muna. Second quarter, aim for that 2 million, 3 million na hinahanap mo. Okay, ituloy po natin. Final push. This is where you're gonna push yourself. Alisin yung nostalgia. Ay kasi nasaktan po ako. Ay kasi hindi po niya ako mahal. Nakipag-break po ako. Yeah. Okay? Namnamin mo yan for the second quarter. Okay, one card. Let's see. What else? There will be choices for you. A lot of choices for water element. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You need to be ready. Okay. Oops. Oh, see? Sabi ko sa iyo eh. Oh, 6 of 1, victory. Go ahead. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Namnamin mo yung nostalgia. No problem. Pero sinasabi ng universe, second quarter for all water element, Stop dreaming and start acting. Do it. Yung mga old ways of habit, i-ano mo, itabi mo. Kung gusto mong namnamin siya, wag mo na sa second quarter because this second quarter will open a lot of victorious opportunity. Dito po tayo nagkakaroon ng missed opportunity most of the time because of yung timing. Yeah? Yung energy for second quarter is different. So, dapat sasabayan po natin yan. Wala tayong emotion muna dito for second quarter. Yeah? Yung ano, kung gusto mo na magpakasal or separate or merong business opportunity, claim that already. Act now. Wag yung self-trust. Okay, maniwala ka sa sarili mo for this second quarter. Third quarter, alisin mo na yung tiwala if you like to. Second quarter, you need have to have that self-confidence and self-trust. Believe in yourself. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, all water. You're gonna have that victory. Okay? Yan. Okay? That's the energy. You need to take advantage. Yeah. The sun. Okay. Let's see. Where and what else? Water element. The soul. We are considered the soul. Mataas yung intuition natin. Again, napapagod lang tayo po physically. That's why we stop. The opportunity and wealth and abundance is expansive. That's true. Hindi lang natin natatap on a certain period of time. Kasi may gera sa may those kind of thing. Kasi nakipag-break ako, nasaktan na po ako. I'm not saying na hindi po natin dapat i-acknowledge yung pain. Yeah, we need to acknowledge. We need to acknowledge and we need to heal. Kaya lang, there's some missed opportunity those period. Babalik din po yan, pero you need to wait. But this second quarter, that's the universe is telling us, make a decision as soon as possible. Lahat ng question mo, you're gonna have a 360-degree overview. The coast is clear. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, yung in-applyan mo, yung loan mo, yung pumasa ka sa bar exam, sa board exam, sa test, yung post-degree mo or second degree, you're gonna have that clarity, yung direction na papupuntahan mo. Yung pupuntahan mo is victorious Yeah? Victorious. But make the final decision. Make that final decision second quarter. Start acting. Wag kang use your yung intuition mo very high. Okay? Yung gut feel mo very high. Alam mo kung sino yung binobola ka at hindi. Always make a decision. Yung nega na kaibigan mo na parang ginagamit ka, anuhin mo na yan, tapusin na. Yeah? Nostalgia. Kasi yeah. Okay. So, humor ko lang po kayo, but that's the energy for water sign. I have this also, this feeling in towards ito, advanced reading po ito, okay? So now it's still March, okay? I'm feeling this sa surrounding ko, even with my present boss now. Meron kaming meeting yesterday and I tell them everything na I'm not happy on that one. Yeah, because iba yung energy ng second quarter. I have my vision on where I want to go towards the end of the year. I'm not gonna sit like at the corner. No, I want to be victorious. Yun ang aim natin. I have a trajectory by the end of the year. So, all water sign, that would be your commonality and thing. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, self-trust, and have that confidence. You're gonna build that. You didn't expect, okay? Babagsak yan na I'm not saying na makikipag-away ka but the people will feel that. Okay, one more. Oops. Yeah. Oh, see? Oh, yeah. This is opportunity. Yeah, I consider this as the respect. Make that decision. And that's your karma. You're gonna claim that karmic reward. Not for everybody. Yung Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces na, again, this is second quarter, but dapat you planted seed on the first quarter. Yeah, I always said on my reading progression. That's why I read the full moon and new moon, because there is a theme. 2 million gusto mo ma-achieve end of the year. Tama po ba? Second quarter, kung ayaw mo magdesisyon dun sa offer na binibigay sa'yo, or nagdadrama ka because you have some issue and challenges, I don't think you're gonna have that expand opportunity. Yeah. Second quarter, you're gonna need to make a lot of decision. It's gonna be painful kasi hindi sanay minsan ang Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces sa ganyan. Yeah. You are the soul. Mostly yung decision mo is coming from the heart. Very softy. Yeah, I know that. I'm a Scorpio also. So, it's karmic. So, kung anong karma ito, I will take ownership. I deserve that victory. Yeah? That's the confidence that Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces should have by second quarter. Outgrown. Queen of Swords, walang emotion to. Kaya sabi ko sa water sign, wala kayong dapat emotion the second quarter. You need to kill it. Yeah? Kasi gusto mo ng 3 million at the end of the year eh. Walang emotion. Magpa-follow up ka sa kumpanya na in-applyan mo, sasabihin mo sa boss mo na kailangan ko na salary increase. Sasabihin mo sa mga pamilya mo na you've been helping them, hey, kailangan nyo namang magdesisyon. That's the lovers. Kailangan naman kayo ang tumulong kayo. That's partnership. Equal tayo. The lovers yan eh. Yeah, connection po yan. Hindi lang yan sa asawa, husband. Maski na yun. Dapat yan. Equal yan. There's a vows for that. Yeah. So, sa anak mo, sa connection mo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces will start to look for that equality second quarter. Pero kung hindi mo masabi yan, kasi we need to have that final push, claim your emotional space. Kung gusto mo, iyakan mo siya, pero you need to say that. Yeah? Mahirap po yan. It's not easy. Yeah? But the second quarter, yan ang sinasabi. Yan ang sinasabi. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Karma. Karma po yan. This is a good karma. Offer ng meaning we all deserve this. Yeah, I deserve this. I deserve this. Yeah. Because meron po akong tinanim na good intention. So, commonality, water element, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, dapat nandito po tayo sa stage na ito. Because that's how the energy will come on the second quarter. Have that self-trust and confidence inside of every water sign. Okay. Ituloy po natin. Let's see what Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, water element. Okay, commonality we have is lahat po ng sign, second quarter, we should stop dreaming. Tapos na dapat yung pagdi-dream is now acting. Yeah, papunta na tayo doon. Yung Queen of Wands, papunta doon. Saan siya? Papunta siya doon sa victory. Yan, sa center of our heart is we want that victory. The universe will give that one. Kaya lang may crossroad. Ito yung mga humihila minsan. Yeah? Nagdadala tayo sa drama. But commonality, universe is telling us final push. We need to do the self-trust. We should have that self-trust and confidence. Yeah? Yung old pattern na makaluma, we need to change that. That's how we're gonna have that karmic reward. That's the judgment. And that's how you're gonna have that victory. Victory ang aim mo is 2 million, 3 million, second quarter or end of the year, you have to have that a lot of changes. Marami kang dapat baguhin at i-correct for second quarter. Okay, one card. Kasama na yung communication dyan. Communication. Dapat sabihin mo kung anong nararamdaman mo. One card, one card. Oops, meron ba? One card, one card, one card. Yeah. Oh, see? Tapusin na yung hindi dapat, yung is no longer working. Yeah. Well, hindi not necessarily na sigawan mo po yung samaon ng loob or no. Yeah. There's emotion, pero iba-iba tayo po ng pinaghuhugutan. Yung iba talagang sukat, ay yung magsukdulan na yung samaan ng loob, mga ganun yan, na you can only have that cleansing. Judgment is cleansing, okay? Karmic. Kung hindi mo tatapusin, yeah? This is always na, kung naabuso ka na in everything, hindi ka pa kumikibo, and then you can't move on. Yeah? This is, victory is moving on, that's freedom. Iba-iba po yung definition natin ng victory. Ito yung victory sa kahirapan, sa toxic na relationship, pati yung sa kalokohan, pangbubuli, kabastusan, yung pagnanakaw ng mga nakaupo dyan sa pamahalaan, mga ganun yan. We need to speak out. Yeah? Madali pong sabihin, tama po ba? Pero if you're dealing with yung family member or yung office mate or hindi ka naman makikipag-away, but you need to speak out kasi maintindihan ka nila. That's what it means here, maintindihan ka nila. And that's how you're gonna have that cleansing, which is the judgment. That goes to your favor. Victory is yours. Kasi mas makaka-focus ka dun sa priority mo. Ang priority mo now, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is yung 2 million, 3 million at the end of the year. Huwag nyo muna akong dramahan. Huwag muna tayong magganito-ganyaan. Focus on that one. That's your, all causes clear. Make a decision. Okay. Kuha pa tayo. Kuha pa tayo ng card. Okay. Second quarter, stop dreaming. Yeah, dreaming, yes. Okay. Pero tapos na yung, first quarter po yan. Second quarter is start doing, acting, making a decision. May mga blocking. Okay. Give me one more card. Water element. Water element. What else you need to know? Yeah, okay. Justice, sabi ko sa iyo yeah, we're dealing with some of you dealing with Libra and Gemini. Okay, those two. Baka may partner kayo na you need to confront them. Yeah? You're gonna have that justice. Ito yung mga naagrabyado in the past. Yeah? Naagrabyado. Hindi tayo maghanap ng justice if kung di tayo naagrabyado. Yeah? Kung di tayo niloloko. Yeah? Gemini, you're gonna have that heart-to-heart discussion. Yeah? And not necessarily Gemini sign, but most of you need to do that. That's what it's telling here. And commonality, madali pong sabihin, pero I do not know how you're gonna handle that. You're gonna the second level ka. This is the judgment of the 2 million, 3 million na hinahanap mo. Yeah, na ine-aim. And that's consider ours as our victory. Claim your victory. Hindi lang po tayo magmamanifest ng victory. Kasi kailangan mo ng tulong dito Are you ready to tell your husband na humataw ka 24 hours a day? O sabihin mo sa anak mo na, kung magtrabaho, sustenta mo yung sa pag-aaral mo, hindi ko na kaya yan. Are you ready to say? Can you say that? Yeah? But once you say that, you're gonna have that justice because they will respect you even more. Umiyak ka if you need to, but you need to make a decision. Or months, I think I said that sa reading ko, yung full moon is about authenticity. And it's requiring to Aries season. It requires us to express yung emotion. Tapos na yung Mercury retrograde. Second quarter na tayo of the year. We want that financial money. Kailangan gusto natin yung 2 million, 3 million. Pero hindi mo masabi dun sa mga sa paligid mo na, hindi ko kaya, tulungan nyo naman ako dito at tataas na yung gasolina. Yeah? Maghanap kayo ng trabaho pagkakitaan. You're gonna have that fair and square. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They will respect you, I tell you. And yung mga old ways of procrastination at saka yung pattern mo, yung being nostalgic. Yeah. I have that experience as well. So, Scorpio po ako kaya alam ko, pero I need to make a decision kasi I'm focusing on yung trajectory ko na I want victory. Marami rin po akong pinapakain. But I have to have that fairness as well. I cannot have that justice and judgment kung tatahimik na lang ako at palagi akong magiging doormat. No. Before I become a 6 of 1, I have to go through this a lot of 10 of Swords. Yeah, this is painful. That's a question for you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Are you ready to do that? But that's the energy that you need to, that we need to overcome. No problem. You have the judgment. That's karmic reward, respect, and the victory. Claim that. Hindi lang po, claim. You need to talk to people. You need to convince them. That's where kaya sabi dito, ang tema is self-trust. You need to have that self-trust, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, that you can do it, and the confidence to confront this. Claim that 6 of Wands. Okay, so one moon oracle. Second quarter. One moon oracle. Marami pong may gera sa Middle East, pero we have our own personal battle that we need to focus as well. It's a global problem. So wag mong angkinin, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You're not alone there. Okay. One card. Oops. One card, one lang. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Taurus, very practical to. Okay. Some of you may not be practical. Yeah. Okay. Now is a time for focusing on finances and practical matters. Oh. Yeah. Di ba ang gusto natin, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, ang gusto natin 2 to 3 million. Yeah. Financial yan eh. Structure natin yan eh. Gusto natin ng victorious at the end of the year. Focus now. Okay, second quarter. Yung mga nadidelay pa, ano po yan? It's a progression. So, kailangan second quarter, that's how you deal with issues. Let's focus on our finances and practical matters. Talk to people na you think na they are holding you. Alisin mo yung, huwag kang mag-procrastinate. Walang drama. Walang drama second quarter. I see a lot of air, mental. You have the Justice, Libra. This is an air sign, headspace. Emotion tayo, cups tayo, okay? We are the soul. But it doesn't mean na magsisintir tayo at iiyak. No. We want that clarity and we want to make a decision para dun sa future natin na 2 to 3 million. Lovers is Gemini. Make a decision quickly. What else? 10 of Swords, mental yan. Yeah? It's painful, but you have to go through that. Claim your victory. Claim the victory. Winner ka. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Second quarter. You are the soul. Yeah? Okay, so salamat po. Sana nag-enjoy kayo.